Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video I want to show you the functionality of multi-workshop production. The employee spends only a certain amount of time at a given workstation, or moves all the time between two or more workstations, or participates only at the beginning during changeover and at the end during disassembly. In the example you see, the injection molding machine operator works 70% of his time starting work after the changeover operation. Isn't it exactly like it is on the shop floor? HAL really makes a difference, and its algorithms and AI proposals can set new trends. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.